Hey guys, on today's video we're gonna go and sign up for the drift tour. So press L2 if you're on PlayStation and you're gonna see this, or just go into this menu right here. So right here we can see everything that's happening, including the first thing, which is the tour. So we can just press X to view the details. This is the easiest way to go to it and just sign up. So right here you're gonna have a few options. You may only have a few less than me at this point in time. So go ahead and just click X on the next one that you want to go to, and that's it. That's all you guys have to do to sign up for it. Right now all we have to wait is until that exact date and time to log into Fortnite. So log in an hour before. So that's how you can sign up, and again, all we have to do is just wait. Right now it says 3 hours until the event, and right now I'm just going to show you the next steps. So right here you may notice, if we go here, you have all these options. So at this point in time, since we're an hour early, we can't go into any of these and play away. However, once it comes down to actually playing the live event, you will not see any more options. If you're playing creative, for example, it's gonna kick you out, which creative's not even, it's not even here anymore. So you're gonna see less and less things you can select. And again, once it comes down to the actual event, yes, you're gonna be able to get in just to one thing in the middle, and that's about it. That would be the actual event, which is usually Team Rumble. So that's how easy it is to go into any event. So we will be live streaming in my channel the latest event, so we were gonna get on that. And yes, we're gonna have a ton of people in my lobby. As always, all subs are welcome to come in. So as we get closer to the event, there will be less and less modes, like I mentioned before. So right now, it cut back to these modes right here. And that's all we can play at the moment. And then we're just gonna keep going, and they're gonna keep cutting down and down. Alright, so after just maybe 30 minutes before the actual event, you're just gonna see this, just one thing right here, and that is the live event. So we can only just accept that actually, and we can only go into there. Usually you can have a bunch of people in your lobby like we do have right now. We're gonna go right into it. Okay, so right now we are making it into the event. So obviously the event doesn't start right away, right? It starts after just a little bit, but we do get into the game, which is usually Team Rumble. Alright, so once you go into a game and you're just waiting around for the event to happen, you're gonna see a clock somewhere in the map like this. This will tell you when the event will start. So right here we can see exactly when it's gonna start, and the main event is always around the clock. Alright, so right now we're getting pretty close at 11 minutes for the giveaway, not the giveaway, for this thing to start. Alright, it's starting, beginning soon. Okay, so right now it should begin. Here we go, guys. Here we go. There's a rift. Oh, it's over there. Yeah. Yep. Let's go. Run for it, guys. Keep running for the rift. I'm going in. Alright, guys. So if after the event you come to something like this, don't worry about it. Just click confirm. Nothing happened. This is something that happens after events sometimes. Fortnite just has to refresh. Some people are still in the event, kind of. Things just have to refresh. The best thing to do is just to go out of Fortnite and then get back into it. And to get out of it, well, it's not just by pressing, going back here and that's it. It's actually fully closing Fortnite. So to fully close Fortnite, we would have to go here, close application, and there we go. Do we lose our skins for doing that or anything like that? No. You can even delete Fortnite and re-download it. You're still not gonna lose anything because all your skins are in your account. So that's why if you move into an Xbox or PlayStation, Nintendo, you're still gonna see all your skins in whichever console you use, because you're logging in using the same account that you logged into your first Epic account or your first console. Doesn't really matter. Once again, right now we're gonna go back into it and see if there's any updates or anything like that we need to do in order for this to work. Alright, so if you guys attended the live event, these are things that you would get. So we can just claim this right away. And there we go. That was it for the live event. That's what you would get if you attend the live event, for sure. Besides a bunch of XP.